A warm greeting to you, sir and ma'am. I am Darling Halelia, working as assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Ramco Institute of Technology, Rajapalayam. So this is my Canvas account. So I am handling two problematic papers for second and third year students. So in this for this capstone project, I am taking third year course, that is C8502 Structural Analysis 1. First of all, I have added people into the course. In my class, I am having 22 students. All the students have been successfully added to this course. Then I have given announcements about the course welcome. Then I have included contact us and meeting us in this course. So these are my contact us and these are my meeting us. So then I have started adding modules. My first module consists of course objectives and outcomes required for this course. So these are my course objectives and outcomes. Then I have added COPO mapping for this course. So these are the COs, and now the COs are mapped with these POs. So this is my COPO mapping. Then I have included the prerequisites for this course. So the introduction, in the introduction class itself, I have given these in the form of a PPT, so about this subject, and these are the prerequisites for this course. Then I have added lecture plan. Lecture plan, it consists of what are the topics to be taught, and on which mode we are going to deliver the subject, using live session or recorded session. I have also included the same. Then I have added a syllabus. So the syllabus is taken from Anna University Regulation 2013-17 for third year civil engineering students. This is my syllabus. Then I have added timetable. A timetable of my class have been added here in this page. Then I have also included previous year question papers conducted by Anna University. Both earlier question papers also I have included here in this page. So this is my Anna University question paper. Then I have added my first unit. So it consists of some of the notes from my class. Usually I take my class using pen tablet in Microsoft OneNote. The same I will convert it into PDF and post here for students reference. This is my notes, and I have added a virtual lab corresponding for this unit. I have made this video using Active Presenter in vlab.co.in. So this is my virtual lab. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see, as we know already, to study the mechanical properties of mild steel specimen under. I have uploaded this in YouTube here and posted here. Then I have given some assessments methods followed, quiz I have given, assignment and graded discussion. These are all I have given for assessment. So this is my quiz. So it is 10 point for 5 minute. It consists of 5 questions. So I will show you some 2 questions from this for this preview. So this is my question 1. So all are multiple choice questions. So students also actively participated in this quiz. So here then this is the quiz statics. How much students they scored, quiz summary is given. We can take it from here. So then I have given one assignment, paper pen assignment, that is given for a marks of 20. So here we can see the assignment submitted by students. Only 75% of students showed interest in submitting answers for the questions. We can see here. Then I have also given a graded discussion. um, I will show. So this is my graded discussion for 5 points. So here in this I have added rubrics to assess their answers. So these are the criteria which I followed for this graded discussion. Accordingly, marks were awarded. We can see here, you can see from here the marks are awarded based on this. Then these are my other video lectures, that is I uploaded from NPTEL website for students reference. Few videos have been uploaded from NPTEL. Then I usually take classes in Google Meet and the same will be recorded. So few recordings I have enclosed here.
I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, right? So the same, for example, right? So here there is the roller support. So this is AV and MFB.
Parallelly, students will cooperate with me and post their doubts or answers while solving the problem. This is my live recording, and I have also pre-recorded a video using Active Presenter Pen Tablet in Microsoft OneNote. I used to ask poll questions in between.
Hello everyone.
From Poll Everywhere, I used to ask questions. So
in this video lecture, we are going to see a problem on both the values will be positive. Okay, here we are having a load which is acting at a height of 1.
So this is my pre-recorded video. Then I am moving on to feedback and testimonials. I have asked students feedback, so they showed some good interest. So here we can see, so only 14 have responded for my various questions. The feedback was overall it is good. Then I have asked testimony. So testimony also some few students have posted. So this is about my course. Then what are the reflections from online teaching from my side are, when I first heard about this course, I was very excited to attend this course. So start from the very first day to the last day of the course, I explored many things in online teaching. Since I am a problematic paper handling faculty, I was worried about how to make the students to understand, engaged in online classes, and also experienced many difficulties. I posted this question in many forums and webinars, but I found no answer. But after attending this course, it gave me such a confidence and also made me successful in handling problematic papers using Pen Tablet, Microsoft OneNote and all. I also got in-depth knowledge in the LMS Canvas. I really thankful for the organizers, Professor Krishna Vedula and Kate Fernandez, for giving informations on time, cleared our doubts, and for guiding us throughout the course. Thank you to all the speakers of this course, and lastly I thank my management, Ramco Institute of Technology, for giving a chance to be a part of this course. Thank you.